All right, folks, today's walkthrough Wednesday is 2137 Jackson Avenue. This is a beautiful new construction home. It's on a corner lot, tons of unique features, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, offered at $325,000. It's really an exquisite property, so let's get over there and check it out. Thanks for watching. Alright, but this is an absolutely beautiful property here. Some really interesting features throughout. This historic wood, we've got that kind of as a motif throughout this kitchen. And they did a lot to differentiate this. It's not just your standard new construction. I mean, they put in these sort of details, these built-in tiles, and that all accompanies your typical high ceilings, nice features. Here's a closet, another closet, and then this leads to where the AC is, rather nice. Here's a half bathroom downstairs, and there I am. Out back, we got a treat for you. So we got off-street parking, a little back porch, and there's some skyline views. I'll show you from the upstairs, you can see even better. Upstairs, we've got our 3 bedrooms and another 2 baths. What I like about that is we have our living space delineated from our entertaining space, and that's something we like to see. Downstairs is where you'd have guests, but someone could be sleeping up here, you know. You still have your private space. Here's our master suite. Got a double sink, walk-in shower, just gorgeous. You can kind of see the skyline views through there. And here's your view from the master suite. That's $1 million view right there. But we're offering this place at $325,000. It's really an exquisite opportunity to get a corner lot on Jackson Ave. So that was our second, and here's our 3rd bedroom. And our last full bath. I like this here, we've got a little deck to look out over the neighborhood and that lovely oak tree. I hope you've enjoyed this shorter walk through Wednesday today. Take a look at 2137 Jackson Avenue. Just about 1,900 square feet, offered at $325,000. 3 beds, 2.5 baths, and a nice open floor plan. Here's one last look at those skyline views. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please reach out to Chris Smith directly at 504-231-2004, or just comment below the video and I'll do my best to help you out. Alright, have a good one. Bye.